Hi, this is our demo of our new application Spectrum that helps developers use logging information locally, much like an operations person might use something like the Kibana stack. As you can see here, we have several streams set up. These streams represent different applications perhaps, or just different sections of a larger application where logging could originate. We can collapse up different levels so we can only see what we want to see at any given point. Here represents our logs that we've generated. Right now I don't have any logging data that's currently streaming, but this can show you can highlight things. You can also then click to see an expanded view of the logging information, which depending upon what backends you use will show you different more detailed information. Spectrum can receive information over REST APIs, tailing files, or using just standard old Syslog. So let's look at some of the features that Spectrum has. Right now we have these debug logs that's coming from Django's database backend showing us all of the SQL that's being generated by our app. We can do things like change what color, or if we put the color back, we can do simple things like not show those logs anymore. This is the main feature of Spectrum. You send the fire hose of logging information to Spectrum, and then you can quickly show or hide all of the information you want to see at any given point. You can also do things like solo. Solo is when you only want to see that particular information. So we only want to see this right here that we've got highlighted. So we go over here to info and we solo info, and then boom. All of that information, all that noise that was being generated by all of our other logs is gone. We can focus in on what we need to see, and then we can quickly show all of our logs again. We didn't lose any of the data. Any streamed data that was coming in during that time would all still be being collected. It's just being hidden from us so that we can focus in on what we need to see. So let's go ahead and generate up some logging data here. And you'll notice that Spectrum by default automatically starts tailing the logging information. This way you can see what's happening as things move along. But if you scroll up, it stops. So you can go and inspect a particular piece of information. And then when you're ready to go again, you just hit spacebar and you're taken to the bottom and you continue on tailing your logs. Hope you've liked this quick introduction to Spectrum. If you're interested in being part of our early beta, you can sign up at devspectrum.com.